I'm Jamie Sychak. I've worked at this plant for 29 years. Thanks to government support, I'll be working here for a long time. Steel's so important in this part of the state and country. I mean, this is the Rust Belt. That's our heritage. The city of Pittsburgh was essentially founded on iron and steel, and we're proud to say that our plant's been here for over 100 years. Butler Works received an award, a DOE grant, that is going to help transition us into more 21st century technology. It's going to be for induction reheat furnaces. It is so much more green. It is going to eliminate our carbon footprint and the burning of tens of thousands of cubic feet of natural gas every year. It's massively significant. We need to have more wind, solar, electrical vehicles, and that all comes with electrical steel. It's modernizing our plant and making sure that we're viable to move into the next generation and beyond.